Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead, open up your Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Create Label. Then here, you can type in the name of your label. Please enter a new label name. So I can name this AliExpress. Then go ahead and click on Save right here. Then we can go ahead and click on three slider again. Then we have AliExpress label right here. So we can create as many as possible label. For that, create a label again. So this label can be Google promo. Google promotion, hit on save. Then we click on this three slider. We have AliExpress and Google promotion. For every mail that is coming from each of these URL is going to be directed to our label. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Gmail app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.